guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, oh my gosh, what a week. It's been pretty wild. I'm right now editing our cooking class with celebrity chef Vincenzo Grisalia that we had yesterday. It was so great and you're going to love the video. It's just, it's a lot, so I'm editing it. But I wanted to talk a little bit about furniture and kitchens and things like that here in our area in the Riviera di Cedri. And as you know, kitchens in Italy are considered furniture. So they're priced like furniture. You buy them like furniture. When you buy a new house, the kitchen goes with the previous owner or tenant, unless it's specifically indicated in the act or the compromesso that it's going to stay. So buying kitchens is a big deal here. There's a lot of people doing it. Happily, they are also priced like furniture. It's not like 100,000 euros for a new kitchen. I can't even imagine spending even 50,000 euros here, where in California, a new kitchen would cost you that easy. So another thing is when you buy the kitchen, the people at the kitchen store come and they put it in for you. And that's all included. So it's a pretty wild thing. Now, one of the things I wanted to say is that we have a great kitchen and furniture supplier, and it is our friend Nancy at Euro Arredamento. That's a tough one. Euro Arredamento. In Praia Mare on Via delle Industrie. And Nancy is fantastic. I love her to death. She's got some of the most beautiful things, and actually most of the furniture we got, a very large percentage of it, we bought from Nancy. We're getting the terrace furniture from her, the beautiful armchairs that are going into the common area. All of these things we're getting from Nancy, the beds, the mattress, everything. And she's fantastic. But what I love most about her, first of all, I just love her to death as a person. She's very diligent. She's very honest. She's wonderful. And she treats our clients like gold. I swear to God, they all just adore her. So we definitely recommend her. I'm going to put a little trailer here because she just sent me some of the new kitchens that they're getting in, and they are very exciting. So we can't wait to see some of these kitchens in some of our clients' houses. It's going to be amazing. So take a look, you guys. And when you're in town, if you're buying even a chair, go see Nancy at Euro Arredamento in Praia Mare.